beautiful lovers, and welcome to today's video. How are you all doing? Happy Sunday wherever you are. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a timeless beauty secret that has been using for some time and it has really worked for me. That is a DIY face pack featuring milk, honey, and gram flour. Okay, so this ancient remedy is not just a trend that a lot of beauty lovers have been using, but it's packed with a lot of nutrients that your body is going to thank you for using it. So with this mixture, you're going to be using raw milk, which is loaded with healthy fats and protein and vitamin C. And we are also going to be using honey, which helps for deep body moisturization, and it has antibacterial properties. And we're also going to add in some gram flour. So when you use this mixture on your body, it gently exfoliates, leaving your skin feeling healthy, fresh, and radiant. So here is why you are supposed to use this remedy. If you're somebody who don't like using DIY product or DIY natural homemade remedy, then you're going to try this recipe, because these are the reasons why you need to use it, why you are going to love it as well. It is because it helps brightens and cleanse your skin. Yes, you want to have a clean skin, right? And secondly, it removes dead skin cells. Remember, our body have dead skin cells that need to be eliminated time without number, because your body itself cannot scrape off those dead skin cells. Secondly, it moisturizes dry patches. And thirdly, it helps reduce tan and blemishes on your skin. And then lastly, it leaves you with a smooth, glowing complexion. That is what a lot of you want. That is what any natural beauty lover, when using DIY products or DIY homemade remedy, you want that glowing complexion that will leave people asking you questions. What did you use, right? So if you've gathered your milk, you've gathered your honey, and you've gathered your gram flour, this is how you should do it. You mix 2 teaspoons of raw milk, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of gram flour. Now you create this paste together. Your paste should be smooth. All right, if you have a fridge, if you want to store it in the fridge, good and fine. If you don't want to, you make only the quantity that you need to use. So after you must have combined your mixture and bring it to a smooth paste, apply it on your face, scrub it gently, and let it dry for 20 minutes. And then you rinse it with warm water. So you can use this mixture twice a week for a perfect result. Remember that when you're dealing with natural remedies, especially for a glowing skin, you need to be consistent and patient, because these natural remedies, they don't work with the speed of light. Now, when you're using this mixture, always use raw milk. Do not patch test if you have sensitive skin, and avoid any contact with the eyes. Those are the precautions you need to take. Now, I want to hear from you. I've given you all the explanation that you need for this DIY face pack. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried any DIY skincare before? If yes, what's your favorite natural remedy for that glowing complexion? As well as I am sharing my recipe with you, I want to learn from you. All right, so share your tips in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy my explanation, please do what to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I drop a new video. Bye.